Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the warming zone control switch on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the element won't turn on, or if you can't adjust the heat temperature on it. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do is turn our range around. So now we have to take this back panel off. In order to do that, we've got 6 screws that are holding it in, 1 on each corner, and then in the middle on the top and bottom. And now that we've got all of those unscrewed, we're just going to pull the panel up so that the tab comes out of there, and we can set it off to the side. So right here is our warming zone control switch. So in order to get it off, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to unplug all these wires here. And once those are all unplugged, we'll go back to the other side. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this knob right here, and that just pulls straight off. And once you got that knob off, you got 2 screws that you have to remove as well. As you remove the second screw, just make sure you're holding on to the switch from the other side so it doesn't fall out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement warming zone switch, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So when you put the switch back in, you just want to make sure this flatter top up here is what's going to go and face upwards. The other side has a little bit of a little notch on it, which helps hold the knob on when that goes on. So you want the side without that notch and with just that flat part to be up on top. And once you've got your screw holes lined up, screw it back into place. And then once you've got the screw holes secure, put the knob back on. Now we'll put our wires back into place. And just keep in mind, before you take yours off at home, you might want to just take a picture of the placement of the wires so you get those all back in the right spot as well. So now I'm going to put our back panel back on, and what I'm going to do is with the middle segmented panel right here, that's going to go behind everything, and then that rests on top there, and then I'll line up our screw holes. And once the screw holes are all lined up, you can start screwing it back in. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug everything back in, and our repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.